Hey everybody, what if I told you that you could take the power of your desktop DAC and headphone amplifier and take it with you on the go, and it'll fit right inside your pocket. So this is the iFi Diablo, and you can take this wherever you want to, whether it's inside your house or outside. And it's really easy. Let's take a look at how it's gonna work. So you just plug in your phone to it, and then you're gonna go take your headphone and plug it into the iFi Diablo. Start playing your music, stick it into your pocket, throw on your headphones, listen to your music, and there you go. You can enjoy it wherever you go, in your house or outside. So the iFi Diablo is a great device, but it's quite pricey, so it's not for everybody. I'm gonna talk about who exactly this device is for, so let's get right into it. So the iFi Diablo is iFi's top-of-the-line portable DAC amp headphone system. And it's actually a lot more expensive than my desktop audiophile system, which is the THX AAA79 amplifier and the Grace Balance S stack. But what that extra costs, you get lots of cool features. One of them being is that this is battery operated, so you can pretty much take it with you wherever you want to, anywhere in your house, so you won't be tethered to your desktop computer if you're in a particular room in your house that has your desktop computer there, where you have this hooked up, because this, you need to plug it into your electrical outlet for it to work. Whereas the iFi Diablo, since it runs out of battery, and as you see from the size here, it does have a pretty long-lasting battery, so it should last you pretty much the whole day, which is really great. So what else do you get for the extra money you're paying for the iFi Diablo? Well, you get the audiophile sound in a small package. So you can see how much smaller the Diablo is compared to my desktop audiophile system. Not only that, I actually prefer the sound coming out of the iFi Diablo compared to my desktop system. So you get great sounding audiophile sound, as well as it being portable. Now, not only is it portable, you can actually fit it in your pocket if you really wanted to. And when comparing the iFi Diablo to the older offerings from iFi, such as the Black Label, the rounded edges really make it less bulky. So when you have it in your pocket, you don't notice it as much as you would with the iFi Black Label. The iFi Diablo has a much simplified interface when compared to the iFi iDSD Black Label. Gone are all the extra features such as the X-Bass and the 3D sound setting. And all you get now is a small switch that controls the power output of the iFi Diablo. You have Eco Mode, Normal, and Turbo. So depending on how much power your headphone needs to drive them, you would set that setting accordingly. The iFi Diablo has some great new features such as the 4.4mm Pentacon balance headphone connection in the front. That means that you can use your balanced headphones such as these Odyssey LCD2 Classics with this DAC amp using the proper adapter. And in the back of the unit, you get USB-C connection to charge your iFi Diablo. And lastly, they provide a balanced 4.5mm connection in the back of the Diablo that's going to allow you to use the iFi Diablo as a DAC and output to a headphone amplifier such as a AAA789 in case you wanted to use a more powerful amplifier. However, I found that the iFi Diablo pretty much has enough power for any headphone that I tried on it.